Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston Realtor. So today we are here in Crosby, Texas, looking at a Beazer home model in the new construction community of Sweetgrass Village. And so one of the things that I wanted to show you today about Beazer is their attention to detail, their quality, and this community will feature several models that we will show. This particular one is called the Austin Plan. It's a one-story. They've got a two-story that we'll show as well. And then they've got a different series of homes in a different section. It's a little bit bigger lot. And so I think you'll start to notice the differences there. So I'm excited to show it to you. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, here we are looking at Beazer's model, the Austin Plan. And so earlier I had mentioned that we are in Sweetgrass Village, but in fact we really are in Sweetgrass Village here in Crosby. So this model is 1,585 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And what you get here with Beazer is the ability to customize still. Beazer, you can switch in and out and make it your own. And I love that about Beazer. Enjoy.